Good day everyone and welcome back to e.t.c. As always, my name is Emmanuel Akile. And today I'm going to be doing a short tutorial. It's going to be how to implement a jump function in Unity. I'm not really going to explain that much, but just follow me as I implement the function. So let's get right into it. So I have Unity open over here. I just have three objects, which can our player, our floor, and then a cube for just to visualize. And I also have two materials that I added here. And so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add in a rigid body component to the player, G body. Okay, I already added the rigid body previously. I'm going to add in a new script called jump function. Let's just call this jump function. And I'm going to open this up in my IDE of choice, which is VS Code. So let's just give it a minute to reload the script assemblies. So the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a new float, which is going to be called float, public float, called jump force. What essentially this is going to do is going to help us house the value of like how far we want to jump. I'm also going to need to reference our rigid body component that's in Unity, but it's RB, and I'm going to initialize this at the start of the game. RB get component rigid body, and in our update function, what we're going to do is we're going to check if our player is pressing down the spacebar key. So if input not there, input dot get key code dot space, and if that's true, we're going to do rb dot add force. I'm going to do vector 3 dot up, multiply that by jump force force mode dot impulse. I'm going to save it, and that's essentially just what you need to create a jump function in Unity. So if I was just save this and go back into Unity, let's just give it a moment for everything to save. And if I was to click on our player here, I was just dragging oh sorry, I haven't add this to the player. I'll just drag in the rigid body component into the slot, and I'm going to make this give it a value of like, let's say 3 starting. So if I just press play, and you see once I click on the space bar, you can see our player jumps up. And if I was change the value to like 10, you also see that it just launched itself into the air. So that's just it, guys. That's another short tutorial. So if you want me to expand more short tutorials like this, and in programming in general, Unity tutorials and Blender tutorials, just like this video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next tutorial, guys. Stay for see.